Welcome back. Agnal Institute of Technology and Design at Asagaon, Mapsa will admit students for degree in engineering from this year. This is the only engineering college in North Goa.
Agnal Institute of Technology and Design at Asagaon, Mapsa has started its Bachelor of Engineering programs. It offers courses in mechanical engineering, computer engineering and electronics and telecommunication.
We have come up with the concept of giving a complete, producing complete engineers with the hands-on in the sense the back end will be having a tool room center wherein mini factory can be run and then get experience. To enhance research, we are having the plans of coming up with the innovation center.
This is the only engineering college in North Goa.
So it's all handled by people who are technically qualified and professional in the field. We the priests only give them the supportive, our role is a supportive role. And we're very happy to have this college in North Goa because we've got 3 colleges in South Goa. And students from North, right from Perne, they travel all around and they come to our college in Verna. So also in other colleges which we have in South Goa. So this will be a facility.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
And now news from sports. The Tolani Open Summer National Bridge Championships concluded on Thursday. Dhanpur won in the gold event while ONRC Bhubneshwar won in the silver event. The duo of Bardhan and Sarkar won in the pairs category. Goan teams put up a decent show and the 3 participating pairs did a good job, informed the Goa Bridge Association Vice President Prasad Keni. The championships were organized by the Goa Bridge Association under the auspices of Sports Authority of Goa and the Bridge Federation of India.
You have been following this for the last 5 days. We've played out the Tolani Silver and the Tolani Gold. The Tolani Silver was won by ONRC Bhubneshwar, and Tolani Gold is, as we speak, is being played out, but Dhanpur is leading, so they're probably likely they're likely to win. And then the pairs, which was played out between 54 pairs, the event has just concluded, and the winners are Mr. Bardhan and Mr. Sarkar from Kolkata. And I'm pleased to inform you that in the 54 finalists, there were 3 pairs from Goa. That is Mr. Suresh Kamat's and partner, and Leena Mayadas and partner, and myself. And
what has been Goa's performance like? The 3 pairs that participated, how did they perform?
Well, Goa is not known to be a very strong bridge playing state, but fortunately we landed up 7th, so we are in the prize run contention of we are a prize winner. Because there are 8 prizes out of 54. And in the team also 1 or 2 teams qualified, but then nobody got into semis or finals.
Amongst the winners you mentioned of the silver and gold, any major upsets, or they are the people who normally win at a national level?
Yeah, well, what could be considered an upset was Formidables, which is one of the very strong team, and it was dominating the round robin before the knockout, but then they got knocked out in the pre-quarters, partner. So, and this time, it was really a big pleasure to hold full-fledged Summer Nationals in Goa, which attracted more than 80-85 pairs. I'm sorry, 80-85 teams. That is about 450 people that we have been hosting for the last 5 days. And we are really grateful to Taligaon Community Center, Village Panchayat of Taligaon. And we are hoping, that bridge gets more and more popular in Goa. Because it's a very good sport for young students, college-going students, as well as, and more so for older people.
You're happy with your performance?
Yeah, I would say that, but it's all thanks to my partner, who's a very senior player himself. So all thanks to him that we've done pretty well.
Thank you, Prasad. Thank you very much.
Bye.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with senior video journalist Turshidas Chari.
Don't worry if you have missed this news bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch the latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.